Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to enable dark mode on Discord using your Android device. Dark mode not only looks sleek, but it can also reduce eye strain, especially during late-night gaming sessions or chats. Let's get right into the steps. First, launch the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're in, head to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will take you to your user settings where all the magic happens. Next, look for the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tapping this icon will open up the settings menu where you can customize various features of your Discord experience. Now, scroll down and tap on Appearance. This section allows you to change how Discord looks and feels on your device. It's a great way to personalize your app. Once you're in the appearance settings, find the option labeled Theme. Tap on it to see your theme choices. Here's the fun part. Tap the dark option to switch to dark mode. Your Discord interface will instantly change to a darker theme, making it easier on your eyes and giving your app a stylish look. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Discord. If you love this feature as much as we do, give it a try during your next late-night chat or gaming session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.